Preparations are underway to receive the Pfizer vaccine nationwide. Tomorrow, the FDA is expected to review the vaccine for approval. Our Kenesha Dees has the latest from leaders who are spearheading the effort.
I gave permission to already distribute syringes and needles, alcohol wipes, and diluent, which is required in support of the Pfizer vaccine.
Operation Warp Speed Chief Operating Officer General Gus Perna says those supplies will be distributed by the end of this week. Perna says 6.4 million Pfizer vaccine doses total will be distributed.
The exact number is 6.4, pulled 500,000. 2.9 first dose, 2.9 second dose.
Leaders say doses are in reserve to ensure supply for the second dose, which will be sent out 21 days later.
On quality control on the production, we'll get greater confidence, of course, in the level of supply reserve we hold back for that second dose administration.
The UK has already begun to administer their vaccine. However, so far, there's been a reported 2 healthcare workers who had allergic reactions. Leaders with Operation Warp Speed say that the FDA may consider whether people with severe allergic reactions should take the vaccine.
Of course, the FDA will make those decisions. That tomorrow this will be part of the consideration, and as in the UK, the expectation would be that subjects with known severe allergic reactions should not take the vaccine until we understand exactly what happened here.
Perna says jurisdictions are also moving forward with preparation for the Moderna vaccine.
Today, tomorrow, and Friday, they will lock in locations and quantities, and hence will be prepared for follow-on eventual approval of the EUA for Moderna.
Putting the Valley first, Kenesha Dees, WZDX News.